I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. First thing, subscribe. Thank you. Second thing, you can like the video. Thank you. Today we're going to work on tapping on major scales. It's not going to be so different from tapping on pentatonics. The only difference is that you have 3 notes here with the left hand. I've chosen C sharp major. It's just to change a little bit from examples in C and G major, for example, or E minor relative. So right here, if you want to work out the examples here, you can just loop a C sharp major chord or a power chord. So let's start with the first position. This position here, we're not starting by the root here, so it doesn't matter, it's still C sharp major. Starting on fret 8. So for that, to complete your tapping, you're going to need another position really besides that first position here, and we're starting by the root here on fret 9. Okay, so now we can do the exercise right here. So and you see, you can have fun exploring the tapping over the major scale, especially if you lose your pick while you're playing. And remember, the show must go on, so you got to do something and make it natural. So that could be fun. It could be a different perspective or different musical landscape for your playing. Now you could also add another position and play around with 3 different positions of that scale here. So this time here we'll be starting on fret 11. And so now if we mix all the positions here, we're going to have and there you go. You can have a lot of fun with that, working on 3 positions. So there's lots to explore, so you have to take your time working on that. You can find this lesson on my Patreon, so you will find the link below here, and also on my main page of my YouTube channel. It's not very expensive to subscribe. There's like more than 100 lessons already on, so you can download the PDF, or if you want the Guitar Profile, go for it. It's always more comfortable to have the paper here for working on a lesson. Have a good practice.